So here you can see this upload. Let me refresh it once it get refreshed, you can refresh it from here. You can see the refresh option. Click on the refresh, so you will able to see the folder. Let me check if it is able uploaded or what. Okay, I think because of the naming convention. Okay, because it's not uploaded, the reason is because my file name is same. So what I can do, I can I can just change the name of my file. So what I can do it, let me change it. Guys, are you getting right how we can use storage? Are you getting like how you can use the storage service in the cloud? Any question here, any one of you? Yeah, thank you, Manoj. Now you see this. Now new folder is created. Why it was not creating earlier? Because in that folder also I am having the same name with this file, so that's why it was giving me the error. But right now you can see when you click on this folder, it is having the same file, means but the name I have changed it. So like this you can save multiple folder, and you this as you much means as you have a access of this cloud, you can save your data free, means you can save your data safely here. Now suppose tomorrow if your hard disk get crash, suppose your laptop get lost, or suppose your hard disk get crash, at that time this cloud is more useful to you. You can download also, right? How you can download it? Just select it, scroll here, and you can see this arrow, right? When you click on this, it will get downloaded. This is my file, it will get download. So like this you can download also any file, not only this image. I have uploaded it because this the new laptop, so I have only image one file, but you can try with video audio also. You can try with audio file, you can save a video file, so you can save audio video both. I hope it is clear to you how we use the collection. And one more thing, you can delete also. In case suppose you are not satisfied, you can just go to the back. You see this bucket, delete the bucket. Just select this bucket, go to this. If you don't want, because charging will be applicable whatever data you will save it, so just click on this delete button, just type delete here and click on delete. It will get deleted. Now see, it's not there, right? So how easily the cloud services is. Do you need anything? No, right? This UI is very easy. You can explore as much as you can, right? Now let's see about some more services. You can say today what you can do it. Okay, if you don't have an account, no need to worry. On Monday we'll all together will make an account. So from that day onward you can start uploading your video audio, but remember one thing, you have a free access. So once your 3 month over, before 3 months you delete everything from there. Okay, now let's see one more service I can show you. This VMware, this okay, it's asking for the account. Okay, okay, compute engine. This compute engine, as I said you, it is used to provide you computing speed. Computing speed means where you can like provide a compute to your process running on that. Means any software, any server that you deployed, any software like any website, as I said you, Amazon, right? How you able to access that? But you just try, you just click on this link and you open that, like just like data center. When I type it here, data center, I am able to open this. But how it is coming? Actually, this all link, the